What happened?
I'm saying that you kept me up. And I also had...
Shh, turn it down a notch. Just turn
I
it
also had 19
All right, let's look at this.
19 tosses and turns.
Because of me.
Because of you.
Wow.
I slept crappy until I went to another bedroom. And then I slept amazingly. I had 2 hours and some of REM sleep.
You know what that tells you?
That you freaking snore. That's what it tells me. No, it's you.
You see how good you slept in that other bedroom? You probably should sleep there tonight, too.
I think you're sleeping there tonight.
You probably should sleep there tonight.
You're sleeping there tonight. And
I
we
don't
might
think-
start it on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Maybe so.